How to create a map on Google Maps. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to create a map on Google Maps. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch your web browser on your device. Click search bar and type in maps.google.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. You will land on Google Maps section. Now once you're on this interface, you simply need to select the three-line icon at top left corner to open your menu. From here, then you need to click on Save button. You will navigate to this section where you see different options like list, label, visited and maps. Click on Maps option. Now click on Create Map at bottom of your screen. You will land on this interface. Then you simply need to click on Create a New Map button on this interface. So at the top you'll find several options. Simply you need to click on Draw a Line button and you need to add line or say. So let's select the area. So once you're done with the area, you simply need to name it. Now you can even add your description of your map. And once you do that, you need to click on Save button at bottom left corner of your screen and it will automatically save to Google Drive. You can even customize your map by changing the area color, adding images or videos or editing the map details. With this, you can even add a location. You simply need to click on the marker button at top left corner of your screen. And now you would simply need to choose a point and give it title or name of your point. You can even add the description and click on Save button at bottom left corner of your screen. And with this, you have successfully added a location on your map too. You can easily add images or edit or change the marker color also using this color or the style icon at bottom left corner of this section. Now moving forward, you can share your map too. Simply you need to click on the share and check the option anyone with this link can view. Or you can simply copy the link to share or share it directly by Google Map as well. But before that, add name and description before sharing and click on OK button. You can see the preview of your map too. So in this way you can create a custom map using Google Maps. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.